salad and I'm chopping up the vegetables.
Go.
I'm making 2 cups of bulgur and 3 cups of water. Then I'm going to cook it for 12 minutes. Now I'm going to put a little pinch of salt into it and
Let it cook.
let it cook.
So you mix all your ingredients. What do you have in there, Chef?
I got onions, I got some mushrooms, and I got some celery and some carrots, and some cherry tomatoes and cucumbers.
Okay. All right, mix that all together there, and then we'll show everybody what you got there.
Now, I'm gonna add white balsamic dressing.
Okay. Looks good, Chef.
Now that I've made my product, you can have this with your lunch. Chef Caleb.